In this video, I wanted to take a quick look at this fixture. This is a 4-bulb fixture. It's 4 feet across, so it's 48 inches. And on the left, I've put in 2 brand new, just about installed them 5 minutes ago, Philips InstantFit. So those are LED bulbs, cost about $8 each. On the right, I have the Philips Alto that have been in there for, on and off for 10 years. And you could see they both light up quite well. No consistency issues or anything like that. But the nice thing about the Philips InstantFit is that it is a instant fit, as the name suggests. So basically you take out the bulbs on the right and don't touch the ballast, nothing like that. You put in the Philips and it is an easy swap from one to the next. You could see the fluorescents on the right-hand side are kind of maybe a little bit yellowish. They use a different color temperature than the 6500K Philips is on the left. I wanted to go a little kind of bluer for the garage setting. And the Philips LEDs have a higher CRI, so it's the color accuracy. So they have a cleaner light to them. And now we'll just go ahead and show you how simple that light swap is. Okay, so here we have the Philips right there. They're installed in the same 4-bulb troffer as this one here. Like I said, these are 48 inch. This is just a standard Lithonia light fixture, typical garage type thing. And we'll just pop this guy out, no problems there. You can see I was using a Philips Alto. This is a so basically a 40 watt T12. These are the old style ones with glass surround, and they have mercury in them. That's that HG, so you want to be really careful with them. As a Philips, you're gonna pop it in, give it a twist in that tombstone, and it's turning on. These are directional, these are LEDs, so you want to decide which way is facing up and which way is facing down. For the best light, you're gonna want the strip itself to be facing down. There you go. We have retrofitted this fixture into LEDs. I'll do this one and then we'll be all set. A lot of times when you're doing the swap from fluorescent to LED, you'll save a lot of power. You're going from a 40 watt, this is actually 40 watt, it consumes 40 watt. It's not just rated at 40 watt, to this, which is a 40 watt equivalent, but it only uses 16 watts of power. So considerable power savings there. You could pick your color temperature. You get the higher CRI level, which is great for color accuracy. And these things are rated at, I think, 30,000 hours. So you won't be changing this too soon. You do still have to worry about your ballast blowing out because this has a ballast in it, but otherwise you'd have to remove the fixture or take out the ballast, replace the ballast, and all that. The downside of this InstantFit is you're stuck with the ballast in there, and that is the likely part that's gonna break. But new ballast costs about 15 bucks. So it's annoying, but it is a solvable problem. These Philips do not work without the ballast, is my understanding. So you are stuck with that, and you can't take out the ballast and then use the bulbs. So kind of a big commitment to the ballast design, but much better lighting and a lot of power savings. So that's the Philips InstantFit LED tube universal fit. To wrap everything up, I wanted to take a quick look at the box. So we have Philips universal fit, plug and play. This one is a T8, but it'll fit as a T8 or T12. And that basically determines the width of the bulb. T8 is 8/8 or 1 inch. T12 is 12/8 or 1.5 inches in diameter. This will work in 32 watt or 40 watt style troffers or fixtures, whatever, but it is a 16 watt. So it consumes 16 watt, but is a 32 or 40 watt equivalent. It says eye comfort, that's Philips anti-flicker technology or something like that. I went with the Deluxe Daylight. That's a 6500K. So it's as blue as lights will get. Good for basements and garages, not really something you want in living areas. And there's the rest of the details. So 32 years, 50% energy savings, it's about right. 32 watt gets replaced by 16 watt. No rewiring, that is the key with this InstantFit. You have to keep that ballast in place, but you don't have to rewire. So 2-minute job. These are non-dimmable. That'll save you a lot of money. And these things cost about $7.50 or so. And usually if you live in an Energy Star area, you could save some money and get some Energy Star money back. But again, $7 a bulb. This was a 2-pack, cost I think about $17 at a Home Depot or Amazon or whatever you want to buy it. Not too much in the way of details here. Here is the installation process. Oh yeah, 5-year warranty. So 36,000 hours is a whole lot more than 5 years given a standard runtime, but the warranty is only 5 years. So a little bit of a contradiction there, but not terrible. Here's the installation instructions. Ideally, you'll turn the bulb off. I know I didn't do that, but it was a little bit better for video to keep it on. And just turn it off, turn the bulb off. You don't have to power it down. Replace it in the tombstone, and then turn the power back on, and you're good to go. So that's my quick look at a garage retrofit using Philips InstantFit is what they're called, LED tubes.